Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Again, I just want to say thank you. We just hit over 1,300 subscribers on YouTube, and it's freaking amazing. I mean, till this day, I still think that I still think it's nuts that I even have more than one subscriber. Like the fact that a bunch of people want to listen to me every day and want to hear my opinion and stuff is absolutely it's amazing to me, right? Like I never knew that people actually cared about what I say or cared about my TA or anything else, right? Which is absolutely nuts. Kind of a spoiler, I guess, that $30,000 Bitcoin. But yeah, that's basically what my last video is. Like the algo predicted that we might actually hit 30K this week for BTC, which I'm like 95% sure that actually might be possible, right? Like it's absolutely insane. And you guys know that when my algo actually predicts Bitcoin, it's relatively pretty accurate. So I'm excited for the upcoming week, right? But all in all, thank you guys so much for the 1.3K subscribers. It's been an absolutely joy. It's been a crazy good ride, and thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for always watching my videos and encouraging new ideas for me to do and stuff. So really appreciate all the love, and hopefully this thing keeps growing, man. Thank you guys.